I just play the clip right now. We see it just went black on the outside and then it is highlighted what was on the featured article on Wikipedia. And that is called spotlight effect. In this video, I show you how to add cool spotlight effect in our video. So let's get started. We already imported a sample video in our timeline. To add spotlight effect, simply go to annotation and click blur and highlight it. Here we see the spotlight effect. Just drag this in your canvas. Then I sketch this in our featured article. Then set your spotlight position. To make this more professional, we add fade transition at the beginning of spotlight effect and at the end of spotlight effect. We are done. Let's play. You notice everything else surround is darker and a little bit blurry out of focus. We can also modify this spotlight effect. To modify this, simply click on your spotlight effect, then we see the intensity. We set our intensity 70. Here we see our surrounding is more darker now. So in this way, we can easily add cool spotlight effect in our any video. Thanks for watching.